Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camera phones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 3, we have the dual-lens endoscope camera with light. This model builds on the functionality of our number 5 pick by adding a dual-lens design, allowing for greater versatility in capturing visuals from different angles. It features a 16.5-foot semi-rigid snake cord, IP67 waterproofing, and 8+1 adjustable LED lights for enhanced visibility in tight or dark spaces. The 1920p resolution ensures clear images for inspection tasks. The design is practical and user-friendly, with the additional lens providing more flexibility during inspections. The build quality is solid for its price, and the extra LED light makes a noticeable difference in poorly lit environments. Performance-wise, the dual lens system makes it easier to inspect at awkward angles, a feature that sets it apart from its single lens counterpart. At $25.64, it's the most affordable option on our list, offering incredible value for money. The main limitation is its niche use case, as it's not designed for general-purpose photography. However, for inspection professionals or DIY enthusiasts, this is a highly capable tool. Pros include its dual-lens versatility and affordability, while cons are its limited application and average resolution for detailed work. Coming in at number 2 is the digital camera for photography, a 4K vlogging camera designed for YouTube creators and casual photographers. It features an impressive 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, making it perfect for selfies and vlogging. The 18x digital zoom allows for close-up shots, and the included 32GB TF card and 2 batteries ensure you're ready to shoot right out of the box. At $59.99, it's a premium option with excellent value. The retro-inspired design is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry around. The build quality is decent, though not as robust as higher-end cameras. Performance-wise, it excels in well-lit conditions, delivering sharp and vibrant 4K footage. However, low-light performance is somewhat limited due to the absence of advanced image stabilization or larger sensors. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a nice touch, allowing for seamless photo and video transfers. This camera is ideal for aspiring vloggers or casual photographers who want to step up from smartphone cameras. Pros include the flip screen, 4K resolution, and included accessories, while cons are its limited low-light capabilities and digital zoom instead of optical. Overall, it's a versatile and user-friendly option. And finally, at number 1 is the 4K digital camera for photography with a 64-megapixel sensor. This camera takes everything great about our number 2 pick and enhances it with a higher megapixel count for even sharper images. The 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, 18x digital zoom, and built-in flash make this an incredibly versatile option for vlogging, photography, and general use. It also comes with a 32GB TF card and 2 batteries, ensuring you're well-equipped for extended shooting sessions. The design is compact yet modern, with a focus on functionality. The build quality feels slightly better than the previous option, and the higher resolution makes a noticeable difference in image quality. Performance-wise, this camera produces stunning 4K video and crisp photos in well-lit settings. The Wi-Fi connectivity adds convenience, and the flash helps improve low-light shots, though it's still not perfect in very dim conditions. Priced at $59.99, this camera offers incredible value for both beginners and intermediate users. Pros include the 64xp resolution, flip screen, and included accessories, while cons are its limited performance in very low-light environments and reliance on digital zoom. Overall, it's the best option on our list for versatility and image quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.